German is a constantly evolving language, which is why even Germans themselves have trouble keeping up with the punctuation, the expressions, and the spelling. Let's make you a star by not making these 5 mistakes that even natives sometimes make. Mein Name ist Spring German Lehrerin Brunhild und hier kommen Fehler, die sogar Muttersprachler machen. Erstens, ergibt das Sinn? In English we say that makes sense, which literally translates into das macht Sinn. However, this is not correct in German. In German, sense is not something that we make or anyone makes, but something that either exists or not. It's something that's either to be had or not to be had. I know, why do Germans always complicate things, but bear with me. Das ergibt Sinn literally means that yields sense, and we say that when we feel that something makes sense to us. Das hat Sinn literally means that has sense, and this is something we can say when we understand the purpose of something. Ergibt das Sinn? Du musst von oben nach unten bürsten. So hat es keinen Sinn. Nein, was du sagst, ergibt keinen Sinn. Es geht nämlich nicht um die Bewegungen der Zahnbürste, sondern um die antibakteriellen Stoffe der Zahnpasta. Oh Mann, Kim, wenn das so wäre, dann könnte man sich die Zahnbürste sparen. Das ergibt doch keinen Sinn. However, most Germans make that mistake, so nobody will bat an eye if you say das macht Sinn. But if you get it right, you will sound like a true German expert. To sound fluent even in other contexts, ergibt es Sinn to learn all kinds of chunks. Our free Central German Chunking Kit can help you with that. You'll find it by clicking the link in the description. Zweitens, mein Freund versus ein Freund. Kommst du mit zum Bus? Nein, mein Freund holt mich mit dem Auto ab. Ich wusste gar nicht, dass du einen Freund hast. Nein, nein, nicht mein Freund. Ein Freund. Ach so, sag das doch. My friend, mein Freund. Very misleading. You see, in Germany, the word for friend is Freund, and the word for boyfriend is also Freund. Ay, 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 and the same goes with girlfriend. Freundin is both the designation for your girlfriend, but it also could be any girl who is your friend. How do we work around this? There is a way. If you say mein Freund, you are expected to mean your boyfriend. If you say ein Freund, it could be any male friend of yours. So meine Freundin is my girlfriend, mine and mine alone. But eine Freundin could be any girl who is also my friend. So if you want to avoid confusion, only call people mein Freund or meine Freundin if they're your partner, and use the unspecific ein Freund, eine Freundin for the rest. Unless you speak to someone who has full insight in your relationship status, or you want to deliberately mislead someone or keep someone guessing, but that is up to you. Dir hat ein Anton geschrieben. Wer ist das? Anton ist mein Freund. Was? Ich dachte, Oliver wäre dein Freund. Ja, also ich meine, Anton ist ein Freund von mir. Oh, Gott sei Dank. Gib mir keinen Herzinfarkt. Drittens. Gehen, fahren und fliegen. Gehen means going, and in the German language, gehen almost always literally means going. By foot, that is. So if you're going somewhere by car or by ship, you would use fahren, driving. You're driving somewhere. If you go by plane, you would use fliegen, flying. So fahren is for cars and ships, fliegen is for airplanes, and gehen is only if you walk on foot. Wieso packst du? Am Wochenende gehe ich nach Italien. Du gehst zu Fuß? Das wird aber lange dauern. Nein, natürlich gehe ich nicht zu Fuß. Ich fahre mit dem Auto. Dann fährst du nach Italien. Wie lange bleibst du? Eine Woche. Und danach fahre ich nach Peru. Wie das denn? Es gibt keine Landverbindung. Deswegen fliege ich ja auch mit dem Flugzeug. Dann fliegst du nach Peru. It's quite simple. Just call the locomotion for what it is. Unless you're going somewhere for a really long time or even moving there permanently. Ich habe den Job in Florida bekommen. Juhu! Worüber freust du dich so? Ich fliege in die USA. Cool. Und wann kommst du wieder zurück? Gar nicht. Ich ziehe permanent dorthin. Was? Du gehst nach Amerika? Yep. Viertens. S, Doppel-S und scharfes S. I know that this letter S, which we call scharfes S, causes confusion for many foreigners. And guess what? It causes confusion for many natives as well. As we have learned in this video about vowels, the consonant is double if the vowel has been pronounced long. That would mean double S in a word like Straße. But here the double S is actually replaced with a scharfes S. So, when it comes to S, after a long vowel, or an au, I, or oi, you don't write double S, but a scharfes S. Weißt du, wo die Schillerstraße ist? Entschuldigung. Weißt du, wo die Schillerstraße ist? Klar, einfach 10 Haltestellen mit der Straßenbahn fahren. Ach nö, ich gehe zu Fuß. Das macht mehr Spaß. Dazu hätte ich keine Muße. Die ist viel zu weit weg. Außerdem ist es doch viel zu heiß. Ich weiß, aber ohne Fleiß kein Preis. Das wirst du büßen. Achtung! In der Schweiz, you don't have scharfes S, so you always write double S there. Fünftens, mit freundlichen Grüßen. Yeah, the German language allows for long sentences that seem to last forever, with many commas coming with it. And in general, I feel that Germans are often too sparsam with using the comma. However, there are some examples for when it is being used too much. And here comes one of them. At the end of a letter or an email, we write mit freundlichen Grüßen, which means with friendly greetings. And after that, many people write a comma and then their name. And that is actually wrong. You're not supposed to write a comma. Just write your name. Das machen viele Deutsche falsch. Sechstens, Quiz. How would you tell someone that you're going to Germany by plane? A. Ich gehe nach Deutschland. B. Ich fahre nach Deutschland. C. Ich fliege nach Deutschland. Since a plane flies, C is correct. I am flying to Germany. Ich fliege nach Deutschland. What do I mean when I say, das ist mein Freund? A. That is my boyfriend. B. That is my friend who also happens to be male. Well, you can never know for sure, can you? But it should be A. Otherwise I could have said, das ist ein Freund. How do you spell the German word for street? A. Straße. B. Straße. C. Straße. It's C. Straße. And actually A would be pronounced Straße, because I told you if there's a long vowel, there should be a double consonant. And since the consonant is short, the A has to be pronounced long. Gut gemacht. If you get these things right, you're already ahead of some German speakers. Of course, German isn't just about phonetics, expressions, and spelling. It's also about grammar. So, learn how to form German sentences in this video.